Bitcoin has moved exactly as forecasted in my previous video. In this video, I'll be breaking down what's my next move and where I will be personally entering a position. So make sure you continue to watch the video until the end. Now, before we get on the charts, there's one thing that you guys need to understand. The charts will always have multiple valid scenarios playing out at any given time. There's no crystal ball, nor is there any guarantee that it will work out. You're not a great trader if you're always right, but you're a great trader if you can adapt to uncertainty and still be calm at the same time and take trades based on your trading plan. Now, you guys know I haven't actually been taking many trades over the last 2 to 3 months since the beginning of the year, except this week where I entered a position on BTC short, which I'll go over in a second, and also some longs on some commodities. Now, I'm mentioning this because I've been getting questions and people are confused and they're beginning to doubt their analysis. Now, you're not always going to be right 100% of the time. The most important thing is that you stick to your trading plan. Now, jumping on the charts, BTC weekly time frame, we're actually seeing a really nice push to the upside. Now, one important thing that I want to mention down here is just zooming out right here on the monthly time frame. We can see the swing points down here: swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Now, this swing low is a very, very important swing low. And the reason why is because this is also the tariff capitulation lows in April 2025. I mentioned to you guys, I want to see BTC tap into the regions around 71 to 72K, and I will take a short from there. Now, there's another area that we need to pay attention to, and this is your area. So we're looking around 75K. We haven't yet tapped into that region just yet. So what I'm expecting on the weekly time frame, if we can get a move to the upside and sweep these highs down here, I will be looking for a short position personally myself. Now, this is not financial advice, and anything I'm telling you is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude on the internet sharing his market knowledge based on 10 years experience trading Forex and crypto. Now, daily time frame, let's see what's going on. I'm just gonna remove this to the side. What we can see on the daily time frame is we've been accumulating sideways for a very long time. Now, we've spiked out of this and we've actually had a really, really strong close on the daily above down here. But what I want to see is price coming up, taking out previous week's high and taking out previous day's high and tapping into the 75K region. I will be looking for a short around this region. It's a very, very high risk short, but I will be taking it. I'll tell you exactly why in a second. Now, my scenarios. Scenario number one is we will reverse from this region, and this could be your local highs printed, and we could come to the downside. Now, I've already told you my downside targets. I'm looking sub 50K on BTC. Now, if we continue to move up from here, and if we do get another daily closure above down here, a strong, aggressive close above these regions, ideally a bullish candle, but above the regions of, let's just call it 71K, it's 2 days of bullish candles above 71K. We could come higher up within the regions of 80K. But this is a great play down here if we can get it. So I'll go in the lower time frames in a second, but just to confirm what I'm looking at, if price does go higher, I will be looking in the regions for a short position at the 50% dealing range. And this is your 80K region. So if price does come up, we could tap into this region and I will be looking for a short. We have a fair value gap resting here. We've also got a fair value gap down here. If we do come above 80K, I'll be looking around the regions of 83K. That's where I'll be looking for a bigger short to the downside. Do I think price can continue rallying up to the upside? There is a possibility. However, I do think that these lows that are printed are not the lows of this market trend right now. So I want to see 50K get tapped into. Now let's look on the 4 hour. I'll tell you exactly where I was looking for my position to the downside. Now, I took a position to the downside at the highs of this area down here, just below 72K. Took a short, jump into the 15 minute. I actually got a very, very nice position down here. And as we move down aggressively, I moved my stop loss to break even straight away. And I knew that there's a possibility that price can come back up. Now, I should have taken a position down here again because this swept all the liquidity on the left. However, I didn't manage to capture that position, and I would have moved my stop loss to break even if I did. Now, well done for those who had captured this move and also this move to the downside. It's a great position. Coming back on the daily time frame, what am I looking at? To summarize, two things. Number one, continue coming up, taking out the highs down here off around 74 to 75k. I will be looking for short to the downside. If we continue moving to the upside, I'm looking within the regions of 80k to 83k, and I'll be looking for short position to the downside. If we drop from here, there's a high chance that we will continue moving to the downside from here first, tapping into our regions, and then we'll get the bigger move to the upside from here. Now, other than that, there's no other positions that I've taken at the moment. I will make another video on crude oil position long, and also another video on the long that I took on silver and gold. Now, if you like these types of videos, I trade liquidity and market structure. Consider subscribing, hit that like button, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.